Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be building this 1:125 scale model painted in the avbros livery, an A320. Anyways, hope you enjoy, so without further ado, let's get straight into this.
Doggy style, yeah. To all the ladies in the house, another day in the ghetto, but look outside and I'm already upset, yo. It look about 102, it's a Saturday and Biggie ain't got nothing to do. I'm interrupted by a phone ring. Sometimes I wish I never got the motherfucking thing. Hello, can I speak to Biggie? Yo, who this? Tanisha, your call back, I'm busy. Why don't you hit me on the box a little later? Washed up, got dressed, hits the elevator. Steps out, it's the same old scene. Dope fiend, crack fiend, eyewitness news team. I seen the honey with the butt looking butter soft. I know she look better with the clothes up off. Sitting all thick with the ruby red lipstick. That's the one I got to get with. Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya? Can I get with ya?
And finally, the finished product of the model. I'll be honest, it was kind of difficult. The paint was definitely a pain in the neck, because every time it'd get on my skin it'd be hard to come off, and so I just had to soak my hand under really warm water and use a bunch of soap. But anyways, at least the end result wasn't too bad. To be honest, I haven't really painted a model properly before, but I did try, and so this is what I ended up with. So yeah, all that's left now is to just get the avbros decal. I'm gonna have to make that. I need my bro pilot GDN to obviously print out the logo in the inverse colors so I can use them for the avbros models itself. But anyways, nevertheless, I think it turned out pretty good for a model, for a 1:125 scale model. Yeah, I think it's pretty good, and I hope to do some more in the future. Maybe like an RC model, probably. Yeah. But anyways, here's some more views of the model. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.